Numbers 24 through 26 use this same triangle, so we're looking at triangle QSR. Let's take a look at number 24. Which leg is opposite of angle S? Well, it looks like all we're being tested for is recognizing the names of the sides based on angle S being our reference. And you've done this enough times, class. We know that in this triangle, no matter what our reference angle is, this is always the hypotenuse because it is the longest side, or the side that is opposite of the right angle, or you can think of it as the side that doesn't touch the right angle. This makes the side that's touching angle S, or the leg that's touching angle S, that's the adjacent side. And the leg that is opposite of angle S is QR. It's the leg that doesn't touch our reference angle. So that's all this question is asking. What is the leg, or which leg is opposite of angle S? It's just QR. Which leg is adjacent to angle S? Well, that is SR. And which side is the hypotenuse? That is QS. Now, you've talked about this in class before. You know that you can reverse these letters. I could have called this side RQ, and this side RS, and this side SQ. You can arrange these two endpoints whatever order you want. What you can't do is, you can't call the opposite side to angle S just Q. Q references this vertex, which references this angle. We can say angle Q, and that's totally fine. We can say angle S and angle R. There's no confusion about which angle we're talking about when we use those three letters. But you can't call the side of a triangle, or this triangle, side Q. If you say that, I'm not clear which one you're talking about. Is it this side, which touches Q, or is it this side? So when you have a triangle where only the vertices are labeled, you have to name a side by two letters. Now this is different. Real quick, let's take a look at this. This is different than if you had a triangle. Here's a right triangle, and let's say they put on here, this is P, and this is F, and this is T. Now look, now the letters are written next to the sides, not next to the vertices. So now we could call this side T, or side F, or side P. But in a normal diagram where just the vertices are labeled, you can't call a side by one letter. You have to name it by its endpoints, or two letters.